kill your TV.
Movie time.
We wanna go in the way that Moses did. Let my people go to worship our Elohim in the wilderness.
Master said Miss Lily Mae can't have children of her own, so he said he gonna give her my baby.
Come on now, Ella. Let it go. For Massa see.
I can tell by her color that's Jeremiah's seed and not Massa, but he took her anyways.
Hey, y'all girls best get back to work.
Yes, sir. See, you always get me into some mess.
I miss my baby.
Been in this cotton field too long. Been on my knees picking cotton too long. Oh, Yahweh, come and save us here. We've been in this cotton field too long.
Get up, you lazy boy. Tired of you lazy niggas who can't do a simple job.
Lazy. We doing all the work.
What you say, boy?
You reap the benefits of my labor.
That's it. You're dead.
No, Master, please let him go, Master. Oh, please let him go, Master.
I love you, Ella.
Please let him go. Let him go. Sweet. Coming forward to carry me home. Swing low, swing chariot.
They brought us across the water like a ship, man. Throwing up on one another, we were sick. Shackles on my feet, chains on my wrist. Put a whip up on my back, now my blood drip. Now we whip around the corner and we got drip. Got a chain around my neck and my wristless. Split stretch on the head and now they seasick. Low sweet shit, the mother shit. They the whole man away when I got there. Don't slip on my life.
Thy reward shall return upon thy own head.
I killed you.
I have unfinished business.
Lazy.
Please.
Well, let's get to work.
Baby, I'm back.
How? What?
Got a second chance at freedom.
What you mean?
Everything they done to us, we gonna do to them.
Wait, no, Jeremiah. Let's be together. Let's get away from here.
No, they gotta pay.
Not again, Jeremiah.
Who did this to my husband? Oh my Lord. This is not right.
Who did this?
I reckon she knows something.
Do you know who did this, girl?
It was me, I did it. And I'll do it again if I have to.
Don't lie, John.
Well, to be safe, kill them both.
2 for the price of 1.
I see you real soon.
Hello, where are we?
I think we've been chosen to live again.
Woman, are you crazy?
Well, look at us.
I don't know.
I saw Jeremiah too.
When?
When he went into the big house and killed Massa, then he came back and he gave up the ghost. His body was gone, like it was never healed.
Gone? What is the meaning of all this?
A second chance, I guess?
I'm going to kill them all.
Wait, John, let's think about this.
No time for that.
They brought us across the water like a shipment. Throwing up on one another, we were sick. Shackles on my feet, chains on my wrist. Put a whip up on my feet, now we and we got drip. Chain around my neck and my wrist clip. Split splash on that head, now they fix it.
I'm back. I'm free.
To worship our Elohim in the wilderness. Let my people go. We're getting persecuted every day we live. Let my people go.
Ew.
Why you send me back here to this plantation, Lord, this captivity? I don't want to be here no more, Lord. My heart filled with sorrow. Please have mercy on me and free me from this perpetual torment, Lord. Please, Lord.
The heart of man is selfish. You've been chosen to free my people from bondage. Go, do as I command.
Wait!
Things are getting strange. People don't wanna change. He just wants better for all your days. Put down your old ways and seek the Most High's face. It'll get better. You just gotta change. Things are getting strange.
If and when you're chosen to live again, will you focus on freeing your people from bondage or seeking revenge? Or will you mentally enslave them again by teaching them doctrines of men?
Never left the plantation, message club with the landscaping. No more yokes and lacerations, but my control is just as dangerous. Ain't it born a target, regardless of how harmless. Skin tone will get you a headstone, the harsh charges. Lack of knowledge in my nation is an understatement. When money is a motivation next to being famous. Steady claiming we entitled to reparations, but they can't pay us back when it never ended.